In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI avatars with Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know the simplest path to create a clean, professional-looking AI profile image using Adobe's built-in tools without any complicated setup. Start by opening Adobe Express and choosing Start New Design. This launches a fresh project so everything you create is organized on a single canvas. For avatars, the most versatile choice is a square layout, so pick the 1:1 option. Square dimensions are ideal because most social platforms and chat apps either display or crop profile images as squares or circles, and starting in 1:1 helps you frame your subject perfectly from the start. With your canvas open, move your cursor over. Add content to reveal the available sources, then select Media. This is your hub for bringing images into the design, including ones created by Adobe's AI. Inside the media options, click Generate Image. That opens the text field where you'll describe exactly what you want your avatar to look like. Now describe your AI avatar clearly and specifically. A short prompt like Create Cartoon Blue Ninja Avatar works well because it defines style, color, and character in just a few words. Think of your description as directions to an artist. Include the character type, the visual style, and a key color or two. For example, you might say, create a minimalist cartoon fox avatar in orange and white, or create a 3D chibi robot avatar in metallic silver. If you want a clean profile look, you can mention a plain or solid background so the character stands out nicely. You can also guide the mood and framing with phrases such as friendly expression, looking at the camera, or centered portrait, which keeps the subject right where it needs to be for a profile image. Clarity matters more than length, so keep your prompt short, specific, and focused on the avatar. Avoid unrelated details that could distract from the face or main character. If the first description doesn't quite capture your vision, refine your wording by adding one attribute at a time, like a color, an art style, or a pose, until the result matches what you pictured. That's the entire flow. Open Adobe Express, start a new design, choose a square canvas, go to Add Content and Media, then generate image and describe your avatar. With a clear prompt, Adobe Express does the heavy lifting and gives you a polished AI avatar ready for use across your profiles.